Hi everyone, good morning. So today we'll be talking about subtracting integers. So in the previous classes we did adding the integers and some of the word problems of how we use integers in the real life. So now we'll move on to the next section, that is subtracting the integers. Okay, so let's try to take an example. So we'll be learning two different ways like we did for addition. So one is we'll be doing it by the number line to understand the concept and then directly subtracting the integers. Okay, let's start with an example. So we have minus 5 minus minus 1. Okay. Okay, so let's try to do it with the number line first. We start here 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. Okay, and here I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so first of all we have to identify where is minus 5. So here we have minus 5 on the number line. So always remember, whenever we are adding, we go towards the right of the number line because adding makes the number bigger. So, and we know the numbers on the right side of the number line, they become higher. Okay, and whenever we subtract a number, we go towards the left of the number line. Okay, so we see minus 5 minus, so we are ideally supposed to go towards the left, but what do we see? It's a negative number. Okay, so this negative number is cancelling the negative effect, so it's becoming minus and then again minus. Okay, so if it was directly minus 5 minus 1, okay, then we would have said minus 5 and then we go one side towards the left and it will give us minus 6. Okay, because it was a positive number, but because this is a negative number, instead of going towards the left, we'll have to go towards the right. So minus 5 minus minus 1. So we'll have to go towards the right. So this will give us minus 4. Okay. So now let's try to understand with the rules. So what were the rules we learned? So whenever there is plus and plus, it gives us plus. When there is negative and negative, we have to again add the numbers. Okay, whenever there is opposite numbers, okay, then we have to subtract them. So whenever there are similar signs, we have to add the numbers. Whenever there are opposite signs, we have to subtract the numbers. Okay, so this is true for both addition and subtraction. So now let's see how it holds true here. So in this case, we had minus minus. So minus minus becomes plus. So we add the number. So 5 plus 1 is 6. And what will be the sign? The sign will be of the bigger integer. So 5 is greater than 1. So it will be of the bigger number, that will be minus. And in this case, we have minus 5, but this minus in minus becomes plus. Okay, and we have 1. So here we have minus in plus. So minus in plus becomes minus. So 5 minus 1 is 4 and the sign will be of the bigger number. So we'll get minus 4. Okay, so we've tried to learn how we are solving with the number line and how we are solving with the rules. Okay, let's try to do another example. Okay. So the other example, let me take 8 minus 2. Okay. So 8 minus 2 with the number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and here we have minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, so first we identify 8 on the number line, then minus 2. Whenever it's minus, we go towards the left, and it's a positive number, so we go towards the left. So 2 times we go towards the left, it gives us 6. Okay, and 8 minus 2 directly also we can say it's 6. So I hope it is clear. If you have any questions, please reach out to me in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.